Yes, that is, she began to try all the manners of remedies on Tom. The water treatment was new. Now, the Tom's love condition was a windfall to her. She had him out at daylight every morning, stood by him up in the wood shed, and drowned him in the cold water. Then she rubbed him hot down with a towel like a file. Then she rolled up him with a wet sheet and put up away under blankets. That is when Becky is absent in the school time, which is very disturbed to Tom, so Tom feels sad. Okay, and Aunt Polly is the only person who concerned towards Tom. Now Aunt is trying to recover Tom from the sadness, so that she gave lot of treatment to Tom in order to make Tom to become a good one. Okay, that is Tom feels very sick. Okay, because he is very sad because his girlfriend, that is Becky, is absent in school, which made Tom to feel sad. So this is the main reason for Tom's sadness. But Tom's aunt would understood that he is sad, that is he is like sick. Okay, so likewise Tom's aunt understood, and after that she tried to give all the remedies in order to recover Tom from the sadness. So this is a thing happened here, so that she tried all the remedies, that is she made Tom to stand at daylight at every morning, and which is noticed by her. That is, she is standing in the woodshed, and again she tried to Tom to drown in the cold water, and then she rubbed Tom. So likewise, she is offering some remedies for Tom, but Tom's conditions become very bad. That is, while she is doing all the remedies for Tom in order to make Tom as in a good condition of health, but all the thing which made Tom to become a bad in condition. Okay, and at last she is fed up, and it notwithstanding all this, the boy grew more and more sad and pale and dejected. She added had hot baths, sit baths, shower baths, and plunge. The boy remained bored. She began to assist the water with a slim oatmeal diet and blister blaster. She calculated his capacity and filled him up every day with quack cure alls. He became fed up, and so he thought over various plans of relief and finally hit upon that of proposing to be found of painkiller. He asked for it so often that he became a nuisance, and his aunt ended by telling him to help himself and quite bothering her. That is, she offered all the remedies to Tom in order to make Tom as in good condition, but all the treatment would make Tom to feel sad. That is, his condition become very sad, and after that she added hot baths. So it's a kind of bath which is offering by a Tom's aunt, and she also offered a sit baths and shower bath and plunks. That is, the boy remained bored. That is, when aunt is offering all the remedies for Tom, but Tom remained very bored. And after that, she began to follow the slim. That is, she began to give some water with a slim oatmeal diet. Okay, and blister blaster. What is the meaning of blister blaster? It is recovering the swelling part of the skin. So that is the thing. So that is, she is offering lot of the remedies in order to make Tom is a good in health condition, but all the things which made Tom to become a sad and become bored. Okay, and after that she is fed up of all the thing, and she made, and that is it. And Paul said to Tom that to recover himself. Okay, so this is a thing happened here, and next she found that the medicine did really diminish, but it did not occur to her that the boy was mending the health of a crack in the sitting room floor with that. It is at last, and Polly decided to give a painkiller in order to make the Tom as in the good condition. Okay, and that is, but Tom disliked the painkiller, but Tom pretended that he likes the painkiller. Why he pretended that he likes the remedies, that is Aunt Polly offering lot of treatment to Tom but nothing will work out, so that at last Tom pretended that he likes the remedies. If he is doing so, in the sense Tom will not, that is Aunt will not offering a painkiller. Yes, so this is the thing that Aunt Polly is offering the painkiller to Tom. When Aunt Polly offering painkiller to Tom, but Tom used the painkiller to mending the crack in the sitting room, which represented that Tom disliked the painkiller. One day, Tom was in the act of dosing the crack when his aunt's cat Peter came along, purring eye the teaspoon greedily and begging for a taste. Tom said, "Don't ask for it unless you want it, Peter." But Peter signified that he did want it. "You, Peter, make sure." Peter was sure. "Now, you have asked for it and I will give it to you, because there ain't anything mean about me. But if you find you don't like it, you must not blame anybody but your own self." That is when Tom is using the painkiller to mending the crack on the floor. At the time, the name of the cat, that is Peter, entered, and the cat is asking the painkiller to taste it. But Tom is asking, and he is reassuring that is the cat really want the painkiller to taste it, and he also added the point that he is not responsible for the painkiller if the painkiller will did something wrong in the cat's body. So that Tom is asking the cat, that is the Peter, that is towards the Peter, that is the Peter is the name of the cat. The next thing is Peter was agreeable, so Tom opened his mouth and poured down the painkiller. Peter sprang a couple of yards in the air and then delivered a war whoop and set off round and round the room, banging against the furniture, upsetting flower pots, and making general confusion. Next, he rose on his hind feet and danced around in a frenzy of enjoyment with his head over his shoulder and his voice proclaiming his happiness. Then he went tearing around the house again, spreading chaos and destruction in his bath. And Polly entered in the time to see him throw a few double somersaults, deliver a final mighty hurrah, and sail through the open window and carrying the rest of the flower pots with him. The old lady stood petrified with astonishment, peering over her glasses. Tom lay on the floor, expiring with laughter. "What on the earth ails that cat? I don't know, Aunt," gasped the boy. "Why, I never see anything like it. What it made him so?" That is, Aunt Polly offered the painkiller to Tom, but Tom pretended as he likes the painkiller. And the time, the name of the cat Peter entered, and he is begging towards the Tom to taste the painkiller. And after that, that is the boy. Tom is reassuring that if the cat really need a painkiller, and at last the cat ate the painkiller and it disliked the painkiller, so that it acted something that it jumps over the window and it made the flower pot towards the floor and the flower pot become broken. So this is the thing happening here, and Tom is laughing and cat is jumping over the window, and still the cat Peter, that is the name of the cat is Peter, is still expressing something that which made some wrong thing on cats. Okay, so that is the cat is jumping over it is a representation of that the cat dislikes the painkiller. So everything is noticed by Ant, and Tom is still laughing while he was watching the action of the cat. And that is the Aunt Polly entered the room and she is asking towards the Tom that what had happened on the cat, why the cat is doing like this. So likewise Aunt Polly is asking towards Tom, but Tom pretend that he doesn't know anything. So this is the thing here happened. And the next thing is, so in this image you could understand that Tom is eating the painkiller, and the Tom is expressing some action which is a representation of that it is like the painkiller. So this is a thing happened here, that is when the cat Peter consumed the painkiller, the cat is jumping over the window and it made the flower path to broken in the floor. So the every scenario, that is the everything which is noticed by Aunt Polly, and Aunt Polly is asking towards Tom that what had happened in that room, but the Tom pretend that he doesn't know anything. So this is a thing happened here. The next thing is, so this is the thing, that is the cat is jumping over the window and Aunt Polly is noticed that why the cat is doing like this, and that is Aunt Polly is still in the confusion, but Tom is laughing while he was watching the action of the cat. So that is the thing, and finally the Aunt Polly would understood that that is Tom did some wrong thing for the cat, and again Aunt Polly is asking towards Tom, but still Tom pretended that he doesn't like. At last he says that he disliked the painkiller, and Peter came, that is Tom is telling to the Aunt Polly, that is Peter came and Peter is asking the painkiller, and he also gave the painkiller towards the cat, and the cat eat the painkiller, but the cat also disliked the painkiller. Okay, so this has happened here. So likewise Tom is expressing all the things which had happened in that room. Okay, and now Aunt Polly is understood that the painkiller is very horror towards the, that is it is very cruelty to giving a painkiller to a cat is the same thing is, that is Aunt Polly is also offering a painkiller to Tom. So both thing is the same, that is Tom is offering painkiller to cat, but the cat dislike and it is doing something which is not good in that room, that is it's jumping over the window, and it made the flower pot to fell down, and it become a broken one. So now the Aunt Polly would understood that if Tom did a cruelty to cat, it is the thing which is made by the Aunt Polly also, that is Aunt Polly is also offered a painkiller to Tom. So the same thing is a cruelty, the same thing is representation of the cruelty. So now the Aunt Polly would understood that she also did the same cruelty for the Tom. So this is a thing happened here. So next thing is, and after that Aunt Polly gave advice to Tom to become a good person. Okay, so this is the story, that is the cat and the painkiller. So what is the title representation of the cat and the painkiller? That is in the title there is a cat. What is the name of the cat? That is Peter. And painkiller. So what is painkiller? That is it's a dose which recover the person to be a person from a illness. So this is a painkiller. Okay, so this is a title representation, that is at last only Aunt Polly understood that if Tom did a cruelty to the cat, this is the same thing the Aunt Polly did. So this is the story, and this is a mind map, that is the Tom Sawyer feel sad as Becky stopped coming to the school. So why Tom becomes sad? Because he missed his friend Becky, and Aunt Polly began to try various remedies on Tom. So why Aunt Polly offering lot of remedies to Tom? Because Aunt Polly want Tom to become a good one, because he is in sad while he miss his friend Becky. Next, Tom fed with this, pretended to like the painkiller, asked more. So when Aunt Polly is offering painkiller, Tom is pretending that he likes the painkiller. Okay, because literally he disliked the painkiller, but he pretended that he likes the painkiller in order to avoid the painkiller. Yes. Next thing is, used the painkiller to mend the crack on the floor. So that is Tom disliked the painkiller, so that he used the painkiller on the crack. That is Tom has used the painkiller in order to mending on the crack of the room. Okay. The next thing is, gave the painkiller to Peter, Aunt's cat. So Peter is Aunt's cat. Okay, it's Aunt Polly's cat is named as Peter. That is Peter is offering painkiller to Tom. Had an adverse effect on the cat. So when the cat consumed the painkiller, it is did something which which made some wrong things on the cat, so that the cat is jumping over the window. The next thing is cat started to jump and around the room. That is when the cat, that is the Peter, consumed the painkiller, it jumps over the window. Next thing is Aunt Polly saw the cat doing somersaults. That is Aunt Polly watched every scenario which has happened in that room, and she know Tom had treated the cat with a painkiller, and at last only Aunt Polly understood that Tom treated the cat as a bad in condition. And next Tom realized, that is Aunt Polly is realized that Aunt Polly also did some cruelty towards Tom, and Tom also did for the cat. So she stopped giving medicine to Tom. At last Aunt Polly would understood that she doesn't want, that is she don't want to offering a medicine for Tom. So this is the mind map. This is a summary, you just read out. So assignment, you just read and understand the lesson and learn the hard words from the text and identify the characters. So what are the characters is that is cat, which is named as Peter, Tom is the protagonist, and Aunt Polly is aunt of Tom, and Becky Thatcher is a friend of Tom. And you just learn the paragraph questions and write in the same in your classwork. Thank you, students.